use on draw gizmo's selected function and set each color to the corresponding axis color, drawing a line from its swirl position in a unit vector on each axis. You can enable and disable it with a use gizmo tool. For the position, it is set each time step using a sinusoidal function for x and y. Mapping these with a time since start means you can create a looping animation. The variable frequency and amplitude set the speed and distance of the circular motion respectively. The positions are calculated and are added to the position at the start of the frame to calculate the final position for this frame. After everything is calculated, add the time step to the total time, and we're done.